Kia Carnival head unit panel removal. This is just a guide. This is already pre-opened. First, pop open this steering column upper panel. This one. All you need is plastic trim poppers. Okay. When you pop this open, this entire fascia, you just need to pry open. Okay. Sige nga, dyan. Okay. Okay. Then 4 Phillips screws to remove the head unit. Okay. Kia Carnival.